drivers, start your engines.
Fire in the hole, but go ahead and fire it up. Fire it up. He does it.
Alright, engines are fired for round number 15 in the NASCAR Camping World Truck Series for the first and last stop at the road course for this touring series at Canadian Tire Motorsports Park. And I believe this is the final road course event of Season 4. But all that being said, let's take a look at the starting grid for today's race. Spencer Gallagher in the 26 and Daniel Hermick in row 1. Spencer Gallagher, your pole sitter. Cody Coughlin in 96 and Texas winner John West Townley. NASCAR fan 20 and Ben Kennedy in the 50. Ben Kennedy in the 2. Christopher Bell for Kyle Busch Motorsports in the 4, alongside Daniel Suarez. Kyle Busch in the 8 and Sprint Cup Series level 12. Riku Abreu and Johnny Sato, Pocono winner. Tyler Reddick in the 29 and Cameron Haley. Austin Wayne Self and Donnie Levister. Ben Rhodes, who won 2 races this season, and Cole Custer. Scott Lagasse Jr., who won at Dover alongside Tyler Young. Timothy Peters in the 9, who had a great win at Bristol alongside Matt Crampton. Rounding out the field for today is John Hunter Nemechek in the 41. Who will emerge victorious? We'll soon find out. Going to the final turn. Pace car is in. Will Green from Canada. Hermick with early lead. Pulls away from the pack. He'll lead the first lap. Gallagher doing everything he can to get his top spot back. But Hermick seems to have the faster truck out there. Sato back there in third as he ran to the white flag lap. Hermick out of the groove there. That just cost him the race. Gallagher in the lead. Let's see if he can hold on to it. Here comes West Townley. It's a photo finish, but I believe West Townley got it there. I believe John West Townley won it. Hermick led the most laps, but on the final lap paid the price for it, as coming out of the first turn he was out of the groove and it cost him the race. Here's a replay of the finish. West Townley with a heck of a run off of the final turn on Gallagher. And right there. Yep. John West Townley picks up his second win of the season. Second win of Season 4 for him at Canadian Tire. Just edges out Spencer Gallagher for the victor. Cody Coughlin coming in third place. Here's the top 10 race results, ladies and gentlemen. John West Townley, your winner. Spencer Gallagher, second. Cody Coughlin in third. Kyle Busch Motorsports teammates Daniel Hermick and Daniel Suarez. Great job by the Daniels, finishing in the top 5 today. Ben Kennedy 6th. Kyle Busch 7th. NASCAR fan 28th. Christopher Bell 9th. And Riku Abreu in the top 10. And here's the top 10 point standings. Matt Crampton holds on to the lead. Ben Kennedy 2nd. Ben Rhodes drops back to 3rd, Cole Custer 4th, NASCAR Fan 20 in the top 5, Johnny Sauter 6th, Christopher Bell 7th, Scott Lagasse Jr. 8th, Daniel Suarez 9th, and Tyler Young in the top 10. Round 15 in the books. Round 16 takes place under the lights at Chicagoland Speedway in Joliet, Illinois. Next up will be old-fashioned NASCAR type of racing at the Darlington Raceway, at the track too tough to tame for both the NASCAR Xfinity Series race and the Cup race under the bright lights at that beautiful facility. Can't wait to see who will win the Sport Clips 200 and the Southern 500 at that racetrack. And here comes Wes Townley to the start finish line, getting ready to do some donuts. And of course, it crashes out. Up. There goes the right rear tire. There he is. What's victory lane? Dale Jr. fan signing off from Canada, and I will see you at Darlington for the NASCAR Xfinity Series race and the Cup race under the lights there. Oh, actually, the Xfinity Series will be racing there under sunny conditions. That's my bad. Again, congratulations to Wes Townley, winning for the 2nd time this season today. And I will see you at Darlington next for the NASCAR Xfinity Series race and the Cup race. And I'll see you at Chicagoland for the next and 15th round of NASCAR Camping World Truck Series action. Peace from Toronto, Canada. I think that's where the track is located, but I'm signing off from Canadian Tire. Again, congratulations to John Wes Townley, who ends up victorious at the end of the day.